Hello gorgeous! Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is House of Belle, and once again I am here for a bombshell look like an angel's, and I really wanted to achieve that look for today, and here you are. I did it and I really love it. It's gorgeous with a combination of a Victoria Secret glow and bombshell look, and this is my favorite makeup look for today. And here's how I did it. So on to my makeup look for today, and I already have my eyeshadow with me and my eyebrow. I did some of my foundation. So first of all, I'm going to start with my L'Oreal concealer, and this is what I've been using. This is a filter concealer. Let's try and apply that for a bit after your foundation. When it comes to applying concealer under your eyes to disguise dark circles and under eye bags, it's a good idea to go 1 to 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. This will help brighten the eye area and thus combat any discoloration. Don't apply a straight swipe of concealer under your eyes. Instead, apply your concealer in an upside down triangular under each eye. This will create this illusion of well-rested eyes by camouflaging puffy under eye bags. And then, one of the most important things to consider when aiming to hide dark circles is blending. I am using the loose powder from Mac. So you have to set it and just do it softly and mildly, so not to ruin and make your skin dry all over, just under your eyes. Concealer, it's like a cover mark. It is a creamy concealer for my blemishes. I am using a Ben Eye brush from my concealer. This is a good brush from Ben Eye. Those beautiful Victoria's Secret angels, they always contour their lips in order to achieve the shapes that they really want into their lips. So you just have to conceal the sides of your lips. So this is how you shape your lips with a Laura Mercier concealer. And after that, you have to use a sponge just to blend everything, so that before you set up a powder, so that it doesn't move, you just blend it first with your sponge. So now you have to set up the concealer again, and also here in your T-zone area. You know, sometimes you just have to retouch the T-zone because you don't want the grease in the center of your face. You want the glow around your face. That is what we have to remember with that glowy look. See the difference when you set up all the concealer that you have in your face. So after that, I'm gonna move with my blush on. So let's just get into it. So for my blush on, I'm gonna use the NARS Splash On. This is Orgasm, and this is my favorite blush on from NARS. So I always do my blush on top of my cheekbone here. So beautiful. Orgasm NARS blush on is so gorgeous. Blush on that can truly make a difference into your makeup look. See that beauty, how gorgeous and beautiful that blush on from NARS. This is unbelievable. I love it. So for my bronzer, I'm gonna use a mineralized bronzer from MAC, and I love this because it's like it's gonna give me that sun-kissed look that I really want to achieve. You just have to go down under your cheekbone like that, like a C. See how I'm doing it? So you don't want to put your bronzer under or so much lower than your cheekbone, because you're gonna have a droopy face, because we wanted to achieve a foxy look like a Bella Hadid look. So all you have to do is everything should go up, especially your bronzer as well, like that. It's like a C, but it should go up. Don't forget to put some at the center of your nose. And a little bit touching your eyeshadow can also have that really good sun-kissed glow. So that's it. So after your bronzer, all you have to do to have that more glowy and bombshell look like an angel's is your highlights, because that is really important, your highlights. I always use this Master Strobing Maybelline Illuminizing Cream. This is a very good strobing cream that can truly create the dramatic look to your skin. So let's just do that. Just apply it here. Did you recognize how I do it? I always go in upward position so that you just have to follow where your eyeshadow is pointing up. So after using my highlights from Maybelline Strobing Cream, I'm gonna be using a MAC highlights, and I'm gonna use a fan brush for that. together. Using a big brush will give you that natural look, because instead of putting some of the products just straight into your skin, when you use this big fluffy brush, it's gonna spread out the products as if nothing happens. And on to my lips. First, you have to use a lip liner from MAC so that you would have that sexy, delicious lips like an angel's. So I am using a Revlon lip stain. There you are, a delicious lips. And then sometimes I use a strobing cream to illuminize some of my lipstick. I just use my finger for that. I just put a little at the center. You want it to complete your lipstick, especially after that illuminizing effect or drama. Just use a touch of beigey pink. If you want to have that sexy, gorgeous look like a bombshell angels, what you can do is to use a hydratant luminer from MAC. This is a really good luminizer from MAC that can make you glow like an angel. And here on your neck. After that, I'm going to use my Revlon Photo Ready Skin Light Luminizer just to have that bombshell look. Before I use the luminizer, I'm going to use this. I bought this in the Korean products. This is like a moisturizing milk. So just shake a bit. So you have to spray a bit into your palm. And after that, you just have to, rub it into your palm and heat it up a bit, and then just take off some of your hair and put it at the back, and then just glide a little bit here in your décolleté and in your shoulder, here on the top of your shoulder, and then all over your hands. Into your skin. Yeah. Hopefully you can see that in the camera, right? That really good glow that many of the Victoria's Secret angels and many models are projecting into their fashion shows. And you are asking yourself, why do they have that really good shine? And this is their secret. And after that, I'm going to use a Revlon Photo Ready Skin Light Illuminizer. And this would also give that additional shine into your body. just put a little bit, and then first here at the center. A good glow into my skin, just like a Bombshell Victoria Secret Angel. And then after that, get your Korean milk essence again and rub it into your skin one more time for the final touch, and just put all over again into your skin like that, and then on top. I don't know if you can see this Bombshell, and at the end what you can do is spray a Fix Plus from MAC. So just spray all over, and then after that you would have that luminosity into your skin. And into your décolleté and your shoulder. So now you can see the difference. So now you can see how it looks like into my skin, especially with those glowy products that I've used. And this is my look for today, with a touch of being a Bombshell Victoria Secret girl on the runway. And if you have some questions about many of the products that I've used, you can comment down below. And please don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel, because I will always be here to beautify your life. So don't forget to push the notification bell so that you can follow me in all of my videos.